Today we're going to learn about different kinds of suffixes. Suffixes go on the end of a root word and change the meaning of the word. The first suffix is full. It means full of. It changes the word color to colorful. So now it means full of color. You can also add the suffix full to the word respect to make the word respectful. That means you are full of respect. The next suffix is less. Less means without, like in the word fearless. Fear is the root word. When you add less to it, it means you are without fear. Just like this superhero, he is flying without any fear. He is fearless. In the word toothless, it means without a tooth. The suffix ly means how something is done. Like the word slow, ly. Slow is the root word and ly is the suffix. Ly changes the word friend into friendly. The next suffix is It's a person who. It changes the word farm, which is a place, into the word farmer, which is a person who works at a farm. Changes the word teach into the word teacher, which is a person who teaches. The next suffix is est, which means the most. It changes the word big into the word biggest, which means the most big of all. Est also changes this root word of strong into the word strong est, which means the most strong. Here, ed is a suffix that makes this sound. T. It can make the t sound, along with some other sounds too. That means something already happened. It can change this root word of jump to say jumped. That means you already did it. You already jumped. Here, the sound ed is making a different sound. It's making this sound, d, like in the word buzzed. Last, ed can make a third sound, ed, like in the word dotted. The next suffix is ing, which spells ing. That means something is happening now. It changes the root word of sit into the word sitting, which means you're doing it right now. It changes the root word swim into the word swimming, which is happening right now. Here's an easy one. The suffix s makes something plural, which means more than one. Hat means one, but when you add an s to the end, it says hats, which means more than one. It changes the word car, which means one thing, to the word cars, which means more than one thing. It's plural. The suffix es makes this sound, es, which also means plural. It changes the root word fox, which means one, into the word foxes, which means more than one. It changes the word bus, which means one, into the word buses, which means more than one bus. A third way to make a word plural, or more than one, is to add this suffix, ease. I-E-S makes this sound, ease, like in the word bunnies. Normally, the word bunny is spelled B-U-N-N-Y, and that means one. But if you have more than one, you take off the Y and you add I-E-S, bunnies. It also changes the word candy, which is normally spelled C-A-N-D-Y, into the word candies, which takes away the Y and adds the I-E-S to say candies.